coffee cake. Here's my flour and my sugar and my salt. So I mix all my dry ingredients together first. And I've got my baking powder. Now I like to use my fingers to mush up my shortening all around, but if you don't want to do that, you can just use a spoon and just keep pushing the shortening lumps into the flour until it all breaks up. Okay, now I'm holding back 3/4 cup of flour mixture, and I don't have any regular milk, so I'm using my dry milk here. Got my pan. Okay, now I'm going to take my butter or margarine, whichever you want. I'm going to melt my margarine. All right, got my butter and my cinnamon and my brown sugar and my topping. Then you're just going to take your topping, put it all around. So now we're going to put this in the oven and let it bake at 350 degrees. The recipe is in the description below.